But Jah bring the day when the road get rough and the burden feel long. Hold on, my people, keep your spirit strong. No fear in my heart, no hatred in my soul. Jah light within me, make the broken whole. They can try to divide us, they can try to deceive, but truth have a fire that they can't make believe. Rise up, children of Jah, walk in the light. Wherever you are, don't let Babylon steal your peace. Hold on to Jah and your strength will increase. Rise up, don't bow down. Keep your feet firm upon solid ground. When the night is dark, Jah light will shine. Freedom in other heart, peace in other mind. Some chase the money, some chase the fame, but a hungry soul still calling your name. What good is the world if your spirit is gone? Choose love today and keep moving on. One heart, one love, one family we be. Break down the walls and let the people be free. From Kingston to Lagos, the message remains. Jah love stronger than sorrow and pain. Rise up, children of Jah, walk in the light. Wherever you are, don't let Babylon steal your peace. Hold on to Jah and your strength will increase. Rise up, don't bow down. Keep your feet firm upon solid ground. When the night is dark, Jah light will shine. Freedom in other heart, peace in other mind. Roots of a nation, keep the roots alive, keep the fire burning, and remember, Jah light never fades, Jah light never fades.